Deadly facts about the giant river hippopotamus. This animal looks laid back, but it can destroy boats. The hippo is one of the largest land animals in the world. It can weigh between 1,500 and 3,000 kilograms, and even more in adult males. Despite their large and slow-moving bodies, hippos are incredibly agile in the water. They spend most of their lives in rivers and lakes to stay cool from the African heat. At night, hippos come out onto land to forage. They can walk long distances just to eat large amounts of grass. Don't be fooled by their appearance. Hippos are among the most dangerous animals in Africa. With their super strong jaws and long teeth, they can attack if threatened. Do you think hippos are more dangerous than lions?